What's up with y'all boys, man? What's up? It's your boy Pweezy, man. You already know I'm back with another video, man. And today I have a 2v2 video, man. I'm casually sitting on my 6'7". As y'all see, I'm a 96 overall already. Well, higher than that now, but like y'all gonna see this video a little bit later, man. Y'all gonna see this. This video came out. This was like day 3, day 4 of the game coming out on the early access. So as y'all see, I'm still hooping. Still getting used to the dribbles and stuff like that. Bro, the contact dunks in this game is so OP this year. As y'all see, those are my crew members that just hopped on the next. I don't know if y'all peeped that, but those are definitely my crew members on the next. And I had peeped this, and I was like, whoa, hold on. Did they just pull up on us? While we casually, you know what I'm saying, we casually hooping on the twos. Y'all probably like, bro, there's bums on the court. But look, bro, it was like day 4 of the game, bro. We was, you know what I'm saying, first day we was already trying to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? First day we was already trying to go crazy. As y'all seen in the build video, y'all can see, bro, I was going a little bit more crazy in that video. But yeah, today we got we playing these 2 people, and then my boys pull up. But we about to play them after this game. As y'all see, bro, I'm frying this kid, bro. I love the way the dribble is this year. They added back like the Kobe escape, like the walk back. The walk backs are elite, bro. They give you different type of walks back. Let me know if y'all want a dribble video on that. So yeah, they came out with the walk backs. They came out with so many different things this year, bro, and it's amazing, bro. This game feels amazing, bro. It's not like nothing we ever felt before, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely happy that this game came out. I'm definitely happy that, you know what I'm saying, we got to feel something new, bruh, because 2K been, you know what I'm saying, tripping the past couple years, bruh. As y'all know, bruh, and y'all already know, bruh, it hasn't been a good 2K since like 2K20, bruh. So, you know, we gonna be chilling, bruh. We gonna be enjoying this game. This game is very fun, bruh. As y'all see, I'm still trying to get used to the dribbles. I kind of understand it more now that I'm like a week or 2 in, you know what I'm saying? So all I can say is, though, very good game, 2K. Y'all snap with y'all game. The shooting feels good. The shooting might be a little OD, though. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I think, like, the shooting may be OD only because they added back right stick. Like, if they take out tempo shooting, I think the game would be more balanced because you have to use square to shoot. You know, the right stick makes it a lot easier. It doesn't make it, like, very much fair. You know, to some people, I guess you can learn how to right stick shoot. Right stick shooting is pretty easy to learn. You know, some of you guys can learn that. Even I can drop a video on that and help you guys learn how to right stick shoot, because a lot of people don't know how to right stick shoot, and a lot of people want to learn. So I may do a cam video tutorial on how to shoot, you know what I'm saying, with your right stick and stuff like that. Let me know if y'all want that. I might drop that anyway, regardless of the fact, but comment down one if y'all like this 2K so far, though. I think this 2K is very good, bro. I don't know why I keep saying it, but like I just believe it's very good. Like, this game really is no words for this game, bro. Like, I be at work thinking about this game. Like, what? Like, come on, bro. I be at work thinking about this game. Like, dang, I can't wait till I get home and play the game. Like, it's that good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I know y'all seen us just smash these dudes, bro. Pause. We finna play my boys next. You know what I'm saying? My crew members, part of my crew members. And I'm gonna let y'all hear the actual game audio. In this video, I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit, man. Catch up with y'all a little bit. See how y'all doing. You know what I'm saying? 2K going good for me. I hope it's going good for y'all, man. Enjoy the rest of this video. I love y'all, man. Stay safe, stay blessed. Yeah. Okay. That boy pulled up on us. Forward. Oh, he on the ISO build.
Oh, yeah.
If y'all even touch rock.
We gonna touch the rock first possession when you miss that shit.
Cause you think you know what I'm doing. Whole time.
Bro.
You're lost. Whole time you're lost.
Right, you got a little fluky catch and shoot, bro. I guess, right? That little L2 you want some cool points for that shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Y'all not touching ball, bro.
I guess you're going 7 for 7. You got to show me. Shit strap.
The game literally
might score over there though.
That was crazy.
Bro, that shit took forever, bro. You see how long he was in the air? Look at you holding L2 over here, bro. I see that shit, bro.
Gots to know it, bro. I'm never letting this go.
Bro, G shit, bro. Throw that shit up. Let me get the ball one time, bro.
Nah, you're not getting nothing.
I'll get that shit back my fucking self. This shit's scrappy. Fuck.
You can't block me though.
That weak ass done.
Hey.
First of all, you lost the ball right there. Got it right back. Oh yeah, this is stop. Thought you had a rebound, huh, game?
I ain't even jump.
Oh yeah, he got that.
50.
Man. Find it back. Oh,
Hey, you a little boy. You don't want it? There's no way. That's them? What? Did that been not hit off your chin?
Hey. Hey. Bro, why do I keep inbounding, bro? I have to give this nigga the ball?
Yeah, see, he finna shoot. No way, 2K.
Bro, there's no way he shot that shit, though. Like.
Yeah.
I'm out of adrenaline.
Yeah. There's nothing you can do, Jodo. You just gotta let that shit happen, bro. Side.
Bro, I'm spinning right back. You see, that's my next teammate on that dot right there, bro. Fuck is you talking about?
Yes, sir. You already know that.
That shit too fast
That
for
shit
you,
was fast as fuck. Why'd I reach like he was passing? Hell nah. What you jumping for?
I ain't jump, I reach. Push.
So I'm not talking.
Damn, that bitch was little as fuck too.
But all my life I put the controller down right there.
You thought that bitch was going into?
I seen the go up, bro. I swear I put the remote down, bro.
Hey. Like the other 2Ks, it was just trash. Ain't nobody was on that bit. Nobody finna surround the court on 2K25. That game gonna take 30 minutes to end. Like, running in slow mo, all that.
Oh, Crash TV.
Yeah.
Why you just laugh like that?
Garden
If any, y'all boosting.
should be interesting.
The fuck? Let me stop. Before they start giving bucks.
Facts. This shall be interesting.
I guess you wanted to fade. Huh.
My rhythm was so fast. My rhythm was so fast with KD, cuz this should have made us. I gotta deal with this shit whole game.
Morris fried, it's over with.
Hey, Jodo, I can get a shot. There's one shot open.
Nigga, now that would really be boosted. We live, bro. We can't get banned. What?
Are you right?
Oh shit.
That was right. My fault. That reach your shit, so.
Bro, I have no steal. What am I gonna reach for?
Oh, you must
reaching.
I'm knowing.
We not pressing
I'm knowing he
square
didn't
this year,
reach.
man.
You don't press square, bro. You just stand there. Hope you get that shit. That's how it works.
Literally. Lay. Oh my,
Boys,
that's
watch out, bro.
crazy.
Never been your Bob. My fault.
Yeah, nah.
You talking about yeah, Nat?
That's a lethal hot zone.
Lethal Hot the free throw, you fucking freak. Why do you have one there?
Nah, I'm kidding. It's only at the top midi or top key. He did the little Sagoo. The hesitation, man.
You not getting this no dip, bitch.
Blah. Yo, you hawking.
This is the first time I've ever seen DJ like actually handle the ball.
But cause
Oh, it's a new 2K, bro.
Yeah, dude. This is the
on
first time
twos.
Look at that shit, dude.
You see, if you were holding out two there, you would have got that shit. Oh wow, he got a score though. Damn!
Good shot.
He was in shock by the ankle breaker.
it's like you want to help, but you know you can't.
I will help right now. You missing this shit.
Who?
Ain't no more help.
You look at you, L2.
Nah.
You don't know what to do.
Hey.
Hey, niggas touch rock though.
Should have just stuck with the random. That's what my ux said. Hey, bro, up me on Moore's head.
Boys be hooping, bro.
My boy's hoop though. He just, you know, he a little out of it right now.